Welcome to this Packet Tracer Lab. In this video, we'll learn how to back up a Cisco router configuration file to a TFTP server. Here's the topology. Our router's GI00 interface is connected to a switch. The switch connects to two devices, a TFTP server and a PC. All devices are part of the same network, 192.168.10.0/24. Let's start the configuration. First, select the PC, go to the Desktop tab, and open IP configuration. Assign the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. This connects our PC to the same network as the router and TFTP server. Next, open the TFTP server. Under Desktop IP configuration, assign IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Now go to the Services tab and make sure the TFTP service is turned on. This ensures the server is ready to receive configuration backups from the router. Now, move to the router CLI. Enter Privileged Mode and then Global Configuration Mode. Configure the GI00 interface with IP address and subnet mask. No shutdown. This brings the interface up and connects the router to the network. Next, let's secure the router. Set an Enable Secret Password, create a user with admin privileges, and configure remote access with Line VTY. This configuration ensures only authorized users can access the router remotely. Now, check the router's interfaces and verify the current configuration. Make sure Gigabit Ethernet 0x0 is up and assigned with the correct IP address. Next, test connectivity between the router and the TFTP server using ping. If you receive successful replies, the router and TFTP server are communicating properly. Now it's time to back up the router's configuration file to the TFTP server. Use the command copy running config TFTP. When prompted, enter the TFTP server's IP address. Then, provide a file name. The router will then copy the current running configuration to the TFTP server. Finally, go back to the TFTP server and open the Services TFTP section. You'll now see your backup file listed. This confirms that the router configuration has been successfully backed up to the TFTP server. You've successfully completed the backup of a Cisco router configuration file to a TFTP server in Cisco Packet Tracer. This process is essential for network administrators to maintain configuration backups for recovery or migration purposes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Packet Tracer and EVNG labs.